In today's video, we will walk you through step 7 of setting up your preferences inside of Moneo Cloud. We'll review setting up your topology preferences, as well as creating your dashboards. So, let's get started. Once you have your masters and sensors onboarded, as well as setting your time intervals, the next best step is to organize your navigation chart. Click on Device Management, and then select Location Elements. Each one of these elements you see here are all the same folder type. They're just helpful hints on how to organize your structure. In this case, let's take a machine and add it underneath Base. Let's call it Machine 1. Now you can take these sensors and simply drag and drop them into Machine 1. With that done, go back to the home page. Let's click on Dashboard. Now you can click on Machine 1. Come over to the new dashboard icon, the plus symbol, and click on it. You now have a blank dashboard. The first thing you should do is add an image to your background. Click on Edit Background Image button here. In this case, the process tank will be selected. You can make adjustments to your image here. Then select OK. Now you can come over to a sensor, in this case temperature, and drag and drop the data into the dashboard. You'll see that by default, it comes in with a temperature gauge. You can move this over to the top. You can change the size if you would like. If you take additional data into the dashboard, we can adjust the size as well. If you don't like the view shown here, you can come up to the pencil button and click on it. And now we can make adjustments. In this case, you might want to change the visualization style. You can make it a traffic light if we're doing on-offs, or you can make it a switch. You can also display just the text information if you would like, and select OK. An interesting option you might want to consider would be taking the visualization to a line chart. It shows data in a 5-minute minimum interval. Select OK. As time goes by, the chart will be filled in. You'll see here as well, if we click on this icon here, you'll see on the left side, it links to the specific data object that we have linked to the chart. Let's select Save. You'll see the data change. Now you know how to organize your navigation field and make a quick dashboard inside of Moneo Cloud. As always, you can check out our website for helpful information on any of our products, or contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.